Get ready, 3, 2, 1, start. It is a settled principle of law that the administration of justice must be free from all forms of base, undue influence, and prejudice, full stop. Every litigant who approaches the court is entitled to an impartial adjudication of his rights and obligations, in accordance with the procedure established by law, full stop. The court reiterates that judicial independence is the cornerstone of democracy and the guarantee of liberty, full stop. No external pressure, whether political, social, or economic, shall be permitted to sway the decision making process of any judicial forum, full stop. The Constitution has expressly recognized that right to a fair trial is an inalienable right of every person, full stop. This right encompasses several essential safeguards such as the presumptions of innocence and right to legal counsel, the right to cross-examine witnesses, and the right to present evidence in defense, full stop. The burden of proof lies squarely upon the prosecution, which must establish the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, full stop. Any conviction obtained in violation of these safeguards would be liable to be set aside as being contrary to the fundamental principles of justice, full stop. It is equally important to note that the investigative agencies are under a statutory obligation to conduct inquiries in a transparent and lawful manner, full stop. Arbitrary arrest, coerced confessions, and unlawful detention strike at the very root of constitutional governance and cannot be countenanced under any circumstances, full stop. The court will not hesitate to exercise its extraordinary jurisdiction to enforce the rights of individuals against executive excesses, full stop. The liberty of the citizens is too precious to be sacrificed at the altar of administrative convenience, full stop. In the case at hand, the allegation revolve around criminal breach of trust, fraudulent misrepresentation, and conspiracy to defraud public funds, full stop. The prosecution arrests that the accused, being entrusted with official authority, misappropriated a substantial sum of money and falsified records to conceal the unlawful transaction, full stop. Documentary evidence, including financial ledgers, electronic communication, and certified copies of bank statements, has been produced to substantiate these charges, full stop.